Okay, so as y'all can tell, I kind of got the little gist. So I'm basically sitting in position where I'm Hey Girls that say, and we got another video for you all. So today, as y'all can tell by the title and thumbnail, I am going to try to transform my office. So it is now 2023. Woo woo. Cheers to a new year. And as y'all know, I've been kind of dabbling, talking about this on my other medias about me going into like mentorship and me going into in-depth educational videos here on YouTube. So in order to do that, I know this looks, oh my gosh, this looks real crazy. But in order to do that, I figured I needed two sides of my office. So I do want to keep this side of my office for Pretty Girl Bangles. And then I want to turn y'all around and convert the other side of my office to be more professional, more upscale, more just like crisp and clean. Because when I'm doing webinars, some of the teachings and webinars that I do, it won't have anything to do with bracelets, so I don't want to have all this bracelet stuff, you know, always in all of my videos. Of course, I'm Pretty Girl Bangles forever. Bracelets is what I do, but when I'm transitioning into like more mentorship, webinars, seminars, things like that, I want to have a nice, quiet, like a nice, crisp place to just put and record in front of. Like this is cool for like bangles and stuff like that. But I also want a toned down space for me to record. Y'all will understand more as I get there. So, in order to do that, of course, I went to my handy dandy Amazon.com and I found some peel and stick wallpaper, guys. To be honest, even though I just said a toned down wallpaper, this wallpaper is not toned down at all. It got a lot of stuff going on. But y'all will see the idea in a second. So right now I'm trying to open it up to show y'all what the pattern looks like, and it looks just like this. And I'm going to, hopefully it focuses, and I'm going to try to put it on my wall, on the other side of my wall. So we're going to see what happens. And also too, I want to probably get me another office chair, or I might just use this office chair that I have. But the first things first, I want to move out some of my pink desk and stuff like that. So I'm about to turn y'all around real quick and we're about to get to it. So the first thing I'm going to try to do is I need to move this table. I need to move the table out the way. So I'm going to keep all this on this one. Yeah, I need to like just clean up and like reorganize a whole bunch of stuff. Like, yeah, so I'll move this table over here. Okay, so now that I done moved that table, I'm going to transfer everything from this to this one because I'm going to move this one out. What you do to me, between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So go now, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? That's out because I'm going to put the recording wall, like my second little space I'm gonna record at. I'm gonna be recording from this angle now. So I wanna move this table out and then put the little wallpaper on this wall. And I'm trying to figure out, I think I might move this pink desk to my actual room so I can make me a little vanity, a DIY vanity. That can be another project I can do. The idea is to put this wallpaper on this wall so I can have a little recording background. but it gotta be at the top of the wall. Y'all think I can do it? Y'all think I can do this? I think I can. So y'all want to put it like right here. Probably like 2 or 3 on this side, and then like 1 on this side. Okay, y'all. So I'm about to speed the process up and see if I could get this done. Okay, so now that I got one piece measured out from the top to the bottom, I'm going to work smarter and not harder, and I'm going to pre-measure the rest of these out. So I'm about to take this off the wall, put a little piece of tape up there, and I'm about to measure them out again. So that way I'm gonna do 3 strips of the same length. So let me see, y'all. When you live alone, you have to like learn how to do a lot of stuff on your own, okay? Hopefully it's enough paper. So I'm about to just measure it up again, side by side. And I'm gonna roll it down. I'm gonna let y'all see me roll it out to the bottom of the floor. Okay, so this is the top of the paper. Top to top, and I'm gonna try to pre-measure this the best I can. I need to get at least 3 strips out. If I can get 3 strips, I'll be good. I don't know if I got enough paper, y'all. I hope what I'm trying to do is making sense to y'all. So I'm basically like pre-cutting 3 strips. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be perfect, but it's gonna have to do. It's gonna have to do what it do, baby. Okay, now let me re-roll it out again and measure this last and final one. So I want to have at least 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Let's see if I'm gonna make it. Y'all know I'm the queen of DIY, okay? I am the queen of DIY. I'm a DIYer with no help. I probably could wait on my boyfriend, but waiting on guys, oh, I don't got enough paper. So I'm gonna just do these first 2 and then figure it out. I was gonna say, you know, waiting on guys, you've waited forever. I like to do stuff when I'm ready to do stuff. So I wasn't waiting on him. Cause you know, I wasn't gonna be waiting on that boy. Okay. So as y'all know, this is like peel and stick. So it's apartment friendly and stuff. So yeah, I'm about to take off the first piece and see how this goes. Let me see. And then, you know, I got nails on, so that don't make it no better. Okay. So I got the first little. Now, if you are a DIYer that has to be perfect, this not gonna be the video for you. Okay? I believe in making it do what it do with what it do. So we're gonna focus y'all, and I'm gonna speed y'all up and let y'all know how I'm liking this process. Spirit is on. y'all down a little bit. Not too bad. Hopefully y'all can kind of see what I'm doing. Let me zoom it in a little bit for y'all. Y'all zoomed in enough? Okay. Not too terrible for my first time trying this. The first round, first piece is up there. I'm kind of mad because I might have to go and order me another one. So I'm about to get started on the second piece right now. About to get started. Y'all, I just tore it. Somebody just take it from the bottom. Put that piece at the bottom. You won't be able to see. You won't be able to see the bottom. Anyway, so y'all make sure when y'all are doing this, y'all are delicate and soft because you can rip the paper super quick. And you don't want that. What's gonna happen? So you kind of want to start it off a little bit before you take it up to the wall. Be overlapped too much, but just a little bit. So that way it's no gaps. Because you don't want no gaps in the right here. And make sure you rub the wall down so that way it don't be that many air bubbles. Be like, Pretty Girl Bangles, we tired looking at the pink wall or the pink graphic wall and be like, okay, you're gonna film on this pink little flower wall. So what I want to do is put a piece right here and then probably put some pieces right here in the middle. So even though I don't have much left, I only got like a little bit left, I feel like I can at least, ooh, okay, I can at least get a little bit for here. Let me cut this. And this is me standing up, so most of these videos I might do standing up, but I might also do sitting down. So let me try to think. Should I measure it out with me sitting down? If I measure it out with me sitting down, be all the way down here. But y'all get what I'm trying to get at, right? Y'all get the vibe I'm trying to go for. I'm trying to go for like the vibe where when I'm sitting down in my chair teaching and talking to y'all, it's all flowery. So this will be flower, and then that'll be flower. So I decided that I'm of course gonna have to order some more, but for the time being, I'm going to just put some midway on this side of the wall, and then that way I can record from the corner. Because ultimately I want to have like a fake plant or something right here, like in this corner behind this wall and stuff like that. So yeah, I got a lot of ideas. So I want to just put this last little piece. Let's put this last little piece kind of like midway. So I'm going to probably put it like right here, and then let's see how it goes. Okay, so as y'all can tell, I kind of got the little gist. So I'm basically sitting in position where I'll be recording. I got the tripod level out to where I will be recording, and to be honest, it don't look that bad. Like, y'all can't see nothing else but the little flowery wall, which I like and I enjoy. I might get like a little plant to like put right here, I don't know, but as of right now, I'm satisfied with how it came out. Of course, I'm gonna give y'all like a little view of it, but I want to just get a different background going. I understand that this background honestly is a lot too. I didn't realize that the flowers would be a lot like this, so I might try to leave this up for a couple months and then I might take it down and switch it out. But Amazon have a lot of peel and stick wallpaper, so all you gotta do is type in peel, P-E-E-L, and stick wallpapers, and you will find a lot of different designs. I personally feel like when I am like ready to record my webinars or like my educational videos, I'll probably wear solid clothes because it is a lot going on in the background. So obviously a pattern shirt with this pattern background probably would be a little bit too much, so I have to keep that in mind as well. So I might be wearing like black and stuff like that when I am recording on this wall. So this wall will be called my educational wall, and then the other wall will be called my content wall slash bangles wall, bracelet wall. So I'm super excited about how this turned out. I don't have any complaints about how it turned out. I will say though, if you do have, you know, regular, I think probably like 7 or 10 feet ceilings, you might need about two packs of it. I just did 1 pack and made it work. But yeah, I'm not too upset with it. I'm satisfied with it. Let me know if y'all like this background or not, because it's all up to you all. If y'all like this background, I'm definitely keep it. If not, let me know if the pattern is too much. If the pattern is too much, then I'll probably try to find another one that's kind of toned down. I guess I didn't realize it, but I'm gonna try to make it do what it do, and I'm liking this little background. Okay, so if y'all enjoyed this video, me putting this little wall together, leave me some comments down below. Leave me a flower emoji if you made it this far, and I will see y'all later. Bye. Okay, so this how the wall fully looks with me sitting right there in that chair. Of course, I might sit in my other chair, so I'm gonna call this my education wall. To be honest, I probably could have cut some of that piece off at the top and just extended it out, but that's okay. I'm gonna call this like my education wall, and then this will be like my business bracelet wall. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. So I'm gonna still be, you know, shooting my bracelets and stuff against this wall, and making like when I do packing orders, stuff like that against this wall. And then when I'm doing webinars and teaching videos, I'm probably be sitting right here on this side. So yeah.